Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert 2D data into 1D data into vector data set. For example, most of the times we collect data from irrigation department or federal departments in this format. So we have year in the first column and then months, and in the last column we have total, right? So we want to convert it into this format: year and then month and then precipitation. In this case we have collected data from federal department. In this there is a gauge in Hyderabad. They collect monthly precipitation from monthly precipitation in millimeter, so in this format. And we want to hydrologic modeling, and we want to have data in this format. So this is our code. First of all, you have to load these three libraries: TSI, BBLE, and then ReadXL and TDR. So let me remove all the variables and then load these libraries. You need to install these libraries if you don't have installed on your PCs or laptops. After loading these libraries, setting working directory, and then I'm going to read this Excel file PMD synth data, which is in Excel format, and sheet is HYD, which stands for Hyderabad. So this is the data, and I want to read this sheet from this. We have multiple gauges in this Excel file. I want to read this Hyderabad file sheet from this Excel file. So let me run this line. So read Excel, which we have loaded the library here, and then read Excel, this Excel file, comma sheet is equal to inverted commas HYD. And if you want to see the data, few lines, top 6 rows, you can see by head of Excel data. So head of this Excel data, you will see top 6 rows. So for example, in 1980 the precipitation occurred in May, June, July, August and October. So the maximum precipitation in 1980 was in June, 48. Let us see. So you can see here maximum precipitation of 48. And then your data, Excel data, and then pivot longer, column minus year. So this is a line which will basically convert 2D data into 1D data. Let us run this. And then if you want to see your data long, here this name and top 13 rows, you can check with this. So you see here 1980 maximum precipitation was in June and then January. And if you want to save this 1D data into an Excel file, you can simply load the library of OpenXLSX and then give a file path where you want to save this. So this is a path, and this is the name I want to give. For example, HYD Hyderabad underscore time series data. And let us see if it has created. So this is the data which has been created by this script. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos relevant to R programming and Python or Google Earth Engine, which I will record videos soon, you need to it would be great if you sign up, subscribe to my YouTube channel.